Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for April 8, 2025, featuring the moon and bright planets. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Events are described relative to sunrise and sunset. Find those times for the month in local sources. This morning the gibbous moon sets about 2 hours before sunrise. This month's full moon, known as the pink moon, occurs on the 12th at 7:22 p.m. Central Time. At 30 minutes before sunrise, brilliant Venus shines through morning twilight. It is about 10 degrees up in the east. It is bright enough to shine through the morning light. The challenge is to find an observing spot with a clear east horizon. In contrast, Mercury and Saturn rise about 45 minutes before the Sun. When they are high enough to be seen, the approaching sunlight overwhelms any possibility of their sightings. After sundown, Jupiter, Mars, and the gibbous moon are visible. Moonlight whitewashes the night, hiding dimmer stars and celestial wonders. Step outside an hour after sunset. The gibbous moon, 87% illuminated, is over halfway up in the southeast, 6.4 degrees to Regulus lower left. Use a binocular to trace Leo's figure. Mars, marching eastward in front of Gemini, is 5.1 degrees to Pollux's lower left. In 2 nights, the red planet crosses an imaginary line that begins at Castor and extends through Pollux. Watch Mars eastward march. Jupiter, brighter than all the stars in the sky at this hour, is less than halfway from the western horizon to overhead. It rambles eastward in front of Taurus, 8.8 degrees to Aldebaran's upper right and nearly halfway to Elnath and Zeta Tauri, the bull's horns. For a comparison of brightness, Jupiter is 15 times brighter than Aldebaran, the 9th brightest star for sky watchers at the mid-northern latitudes. Compared to Capella, the 4th brightest, the Jovian giant is 8 times brighter. 4 bright stars mark the general location of the ecliptic, the plane of the solar system. Aldebaran is 5 degrees below the plane while Pollux, near Mars, is over 6 degrees above it. Regulus, the closest bright star to the ecliptic, is less than 0.5 degrees above it. Finally, Spica is low in the east-southeast at this hour, 2 degrees below the plane. Point toward Aldebaran and then sweep your arm eastward between the bull's horns, past Pollux and Regulus, and ending at Spica. This is a large part of the sky where the planets and the moon appear. The stars in the vicinity are known as the zodiac. During the night, the planets and moon appear farther westward. Jupiter sets in the west-northwest after midnight. Mars sets tomorrow morning over 2 hours before sunrise. The moon sets more than an hour before sunrise. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.